Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to evaluate this very nice expression 698 squared plus 699 cubed plus 700 to the power 4 minus 2, all this divided by 701 times 699. So let's start. This 698 can be written as 700 minus 2 whole squared plus this 699 can be written as 700 minus 1 whole cubed plus this 700 to the power 4 minus 2 divided by this 701 can be written as 700 plus 1 times this 699 can be written as 700 minus 1. Next, we suppose that let x is equal to 700. So this expression will become x minus 2 whole squared plus x minus 1 whole cubed plus x to the power 4 minus 2 divided by this will become x plus 1 times x minus 1. By using this algebraic identity, a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This x minus 2 whole squared will become x squared minus 4 times x plus 4 plus by using this algebraic identity a minus b whole cubed is equal to a cubed minus 3 times a squared b plus 3 times ab squared minus b cubed. This x minus 1 whole cubed will become x cubed minus 3 times x squared plus 3 times x minus 1 cubed is 1 plus this remaining x to the power 4 minus 2 divided by this denominator remains same x plus 1 times x minus 1. Next, we rearrange these terms. We write this x to the power 4 first, x to the power 4. Then we write this x cubed plus x cubed, and this negative 3x squared plus 1x squared will become negative 2x squared, and this negative 4x plus 3x will become negative x, and this 4 minus 1 3 minus 2 will become plus 1 divided by this denominator x plus 1 times x minus 1. Next, in the numerator we add and subtract x cubed. So this will become x to the power 4 plus x cubed. We add x cubed and we subtract x cubed, and this remaining expression negative 2x squared minus x plus 1 divided by this denominator x plus 1 times x minus 1. Next, x to the power 4, we write this negative x cubed first, negative x cubed. This x cubed plus x cubed will become plus 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 1 divided by this denominator x plus 1 times x minus 1. Next, from these two terms we can factor out x cubed. X cubed as common factor, in bracket left x minus 1. And from these two terms we can factor out plus 2x squared, in bracket left x minus 1. And from these two terms we can factor out negative 1, in bracket left x minus 1, divided by this denominator x plus 1 times x minus 1. Next, now in the numerator we have this x minus 1 as common factor, so we factor out this x minus 1, in bracket left x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1, divided by this denominator x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now this x minus 1 will be cancelled out with this x minus 1, and we are left with x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Next, x cubed, this 2x squared can be written as plus x squared plus x squared, and in this expression we add x and we subtract x. This remaining negative 1 divided by x plus 1. Now from these two terms x cubed plus x squared, we can factor out x squared, in bracket left x plus 1. And from these two terms we can factor out plus x, in bracket left x plus 1. From these two terms we can factor out negative 1, in bracket left x plus 1, divided by x plus 1. Next, in the numerator you can see that this x plus 1 is a common factor, so we factor out this x plus 1, and in bracket left x squared plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now this x plus 1 will be cancelled out with this x plus 1, and we are left with only this expression x squared plus x minus 1. And from here we recall that we have supposed that x is equal to 700. We have supposed that x is equal to 700. So this expression will become 700 squared plus 700 minus 1. This 700 squared is 490,000, and this 700 minus 1 will become plus 699. Add these two numbers, this will become 490,000 and 699. So this is the simplest form, this is the final answer of this problem. So the given expression is equal to 490,000 and 699.